Hi, I hope you are having a great day. As you pursue your hopes and dreams, may this year bring you much success and may your journey be wonderful. What's your New Year's resolution? One of my New Year's resolution is to track of my gratitude journal, and I finally found my go-to journal app. If you want to keep track of your moods or make journaling a part of your everyday routine, I'd like to introduce the app Muda to you. You can download the Muda on either the Apple Store or the Google Play. In this video, I'll share my insights about the Muda to help you save your time. Alright, let's get started. To record your mood and journal, click the plus button, then select your mood through circling. If you want to change your mood later, you can do so by clicking the selected mood until you reach your desired mood. If you want to record journals for some previous days, you can do by clicking the date shown. Then, select your desired date and click the check box to start writing your journals. As you see here, only one picture can be uploaded at this point. Alignment and emoticons features are available as well. As soon as you click the settings icon, we can reset the default settings including passcode, alarm, font style, and background. For instance, toggle this button next to passcode to make it private and then follow all instructions given by this app. If you want to change the font style and size, you can do so by clicking font style and then select your desired font size and font style. If needed, click the download icon next to your desired font style. You can also change your background by clicking background. Once you select your desired background, the new one will be automatically applied to this app. Do you want to share your mood or journal with your loved ones? If yes, select your journal that you want to share and then click the share icon next to the delete icon. Select the size as you prefer, click this button, and then select your preferred communication tool to share. Alright, if you enjoyed or found it useful, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button also. If you want to see me cover any other topics or have any questions, leave a note down below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.